Hi, and welcome to Maths Appeal. A puzzle shared is
A
a
puzzle
puzzle
enjoyed.
enjoyed. I'm Bobby Seagull,
And I'm Susan Okereke.
and while you're at home, we'd like to share the fun of maths puzzles with you on our new YouTube channel.
Our maths mission is to make maths accessible to everyone. It's something we both feel very strongly about as maths teachers, and our aim is to show you that not only is maths fun, it's literally everywhere.
Every Tuesday and Thursday, we'll post a video of a maths puzzle and our solutions.
And we'd love to share your solutions too. So, Bobby, why are we doing this?
We're doing this season because we know people, children, and even adults find problem solving difficult.
And we want to share strategies and solutions on how people can do it so that everyone knows that maths is something that everyone can do.
And social media wise, we're also on Twitter, Instagram, and obviously here on YouTube at Maths Appeal.
Right, so let's get into our puzzle. It was actually a puzzle that was on the BBC Radio 4 Puzzle of the Day last week. So, Bobby, I think he's giving us a bit of a clue as to what our puzzle was about. Can you recap it, Bobby?
Yes. So this week's puzzle is about health and fitness. That's about this guy here. This guy here. We know this man. The nation's, in fact, the world's PE teacher, Joe Wicks. He's known as the body coach. And this guy is on a mission, Susan, to get people fitter, healthier, and happier.
Wow, he's doing a great job, I think.
Yes, well done. I think it's a moment of applause for Joe Wicks.
Round of applause.
So, as of Monday, 23rd of March, students in the UK didn't have PE lessons anymore. So Joe took on the role as the nation's or the world's PE teacher with 30-minute YouTube lessons every weekday at 9 a.m. for students at primary, secondary, and even adults. So with the first lesson on Monday, the 23rd of March, if a child does 30 minutes a day for 5 days a week, on what day will they have completed 24 hours of working out?
Wow. Okay. So can you just do some of the key information one more time just to get us in the zone? So how many minutes were the sessions?
So Joe Wicks' sessions are 30 minutes each.
Right. Okay. And how many days do they have to do it?
So Monday to Friday, so that's 5 days.
Sure. And when did they start?
So they started on Monday, the 23rd of March.
Okay, so that's our key info, right?
And there's one more bit you probably need to work. One more bit is how long are we trying to work out they complete the session. So they're trying to get one full day. So 24 hours of working out. You're trying to work out how long that takes.
Okay, right. Okay, so this is like our brains thinking. Okay, so how this is going to work is that I'm going to show my solution and Bobby's going to show his, and we also would love in the future for the puzzles that we do for you to share your solutions too. Right, so there are quite a few parts, right? So should I do my one, Bobby?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, I have to say it took a while for me to I made some silly errors to begin with, which is normal, I think, right?
It's fine, yeah.
Fine. So the way I thought about it was, right, I thought about the days. So we got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I have my days like this. Yeah. And each day is 30 minutes, which is the same as 0.5 hours. So it's the same as half an hour. Yeah. So I thought for 5 days, that's 2.5 hours. Okay.
Yeah, that's
but Saturday and Sunday, there's no sessions, right?
Sadly, so, no. You're free to work out, but it's not part of our puzzle.
Right, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday don't count. So in one whole week, it's 2.5 hours, right? So 2.5 hours of training is 7 days, which is 1 week.
Correct.
And once I sorted that out, I then thought to myself, right, if 2.5 hours is 1 week, if I want to get to 10, I've times it by 4, so 10 hours is 4 weeks.
Correct.
Yeah. And then 20 hours is 8 weeks. Happy with that?
Sounds good.
Then I added, then I knew for 1 more week, so 9 weeks is 22 hours and 22.5 hours, because 1 week is 2.5 hours. Yeah.
Yes.
So 9 weeks is 22.5 weeks. And so to get to 24 hours, I need to add on 1.5 hours. To add on 1.5 hours, that is 3 days. So I got 24 hours is 9 weeks and 3 days. So my writing is awful, but it's 9 hours and 3 days. That's kind of how I worked it out. It wasn't very glamorous though, but that's kind of how I worked it out. And then I think I added it on, and I got, was it when at first I got Thursday the 28th of May, but I spoke to Bobby and he reminded me that it ends on the Friday, so that you start counting the 3 days from the Monday. So it's actually Wednesday, the 27th of May. Wednesday, 27th of May. Yeah?
Yeah,
That's what you get. So what did you do? How did you do it? Because I don't know whether was mine efficient?
Yeah, so similar, but I took it from a different approach. So I said, we're trying to get through 24 hours, yeah?
Yeah.
24 hours. And
Yeah.
I said each session is worth 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, an hours is what, Susan?
It's half an hour.
Yeah, 0.5 or half an hour.
0.5,
You can do it as a fraction.
yeah.
So 24 hours divided by 0.4 hours for each session.
Yeah.
That gives us 48 sessions.
Oh, right. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
So
yeah.
48 sessions. And then now I'm thinking 48 sessions, divide that by 5, because each week we do 5 sessions.
Right,
That
okay.
gives us 9, and then remainder 3, 9 weeks, remainder 3 days. And then now, when I got that, I got out my school planner, which normally would be full of lessons and meetings, but actually now it's all done online. I went to Monday, 23rd of March, and I scrolled 9 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks. And then on the 9th week, I have the 3 days remainder: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
So the 27th of May as well?
Yes.
I actually used my phone.
Oh,
I just went online, used my phone, scrolled down. Okay. So that's quite different, but I think I quite like a diagram, and then also just like plugging slowly through. It makes me feel secure.
That's good. No, I think what it shows is that people approach it in different ways, and as long as you feel confident in your way and you get to the right answer, I don't think there's any sort of issue about approaching in different methods.
And also, it's an interesting one because we're working in units of 5, but actually our full unit of a week is 7. So it's something to kind of think about. So it's a little bit trickier, but also, if you're systematic, it's not too much of a problem. Yeah. So a few people try this and got in touch with us on Instagram. I want a massive shout out to Joseph DeForge Liptrot. He got 9 weeks and 3 days. Well done. I think he's currently up north, I think near Manchester, doing the puzzle, which is brilliant.
And we've also had on Instagram Azza Chowds, Aaron C. So I presume it's Aaron Chowdhury. So there you go, Aaron Chowdhury. Shout out to you. Well done on getting the puzzle correct.
Yeah. And we'd love to do more of this. We've got another puzzle. So as we say, every Tuesday and Thursday, we're going to do the solution of our previous puzzle, and then we're going to set a new one. And so our new puzzle that we're setting for Thursday is about our friend Jenny, and she has 2 cats. Okay, so Jenny has 2 cats. and each cat eats quarter of a tin of cat food each day. Okay, so a quarter of a tin of cat food each day. Jenny buys 8 tins of cat food. Okay, has Jenny got enough food to feed her 2 cats for 14 days, effectively a fortnight? Okay, so this is a question, and I want you to show us your working out, as in photographs, videos on Twitter or on Instagram. So again, one more time the question. Jenny has 2 cats. Okay, each cat eats a quarter of a tin of cat food every day. I like your quarter, Bobby. That's amazing. Yeah. Thanks. Good quarter. Jenny buys 8 tins of cat food. Does she have enough cat food for her 2 cats for 14 days?
14, okay.
14 days.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the question. And then can you work out whether she does? And 2, show us how you've done your working out. So please share.
Exciting to see what our followers come up with.
Okay, right. So yes, so that's effectively us for now. This is how we roll, I guess. This is our session 1 done.
Yeah, so have a go, and again, send us your solutions. As Susan says, a picture, or if you're feeling really brave, a video we might share on Instagram or YouTube. So if you don't forget, we're at Maths Appeal on Twitter and on Instagram.
Yes, and please like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're hoping to build loads more videos like this.
So you've been watching Maths Appeal with me, Bobby Seagull, and Susan Okereke.
Hi, and remember, a puzzle shared is a puzzle
enjoyed.